will your market accept the price increase that you have? If you are considered a necessary product in your customer's lifestyle, they will pay the price increase because you have become significantly ingrained in their life, right? Now, if kailangan i-observe, are you losing customers? If you're a consumable product and if with daily use, your product is consumed completely in, let's say, 3 months, you should be able to see how many of your customers come back and buy again. If higher than 30%, well, that is good, right? If lower than 30% for a consumable product, that is not so good. Yun. If your brand is doing 50% and up, that's very good for a consumable product. That means that you are a necessary part of their life. Now, that necessary part of their life, that has to do with the brand story that we communicate. To some extent, it could also be the quality of your products compared to your competitors. So quality still does play a big role, but really depends on the level of quality rin ng competitors mo. Kung pantay yung quality levels, then wala, pricing and story